Hello everyone and happy Thursday. Today McQuell and also my new baby girl McQuell and also my new masterpiece doll Cassie. She is 34 inches tall and she is sculpted by Monica Levenique and her sculpt name is called Cassie, but I have named her Brittany Hazel, and Hazel is for her brown eyes. But I'm going to go ahead and participate in Theme Thursday with McQuell. So I'm just getting McQuell, and she is still dressed in this blue that I had dressed her in. You know, one time ago my babies really didn't spend very much time in their clothing. I just would like change them into their pampers and undershirt. But especially during the time they were wearing like really dark colors. So this is a nice color that she can wear and I don't have to worry about any bleeding. So there she is. Let me go ahead and change her. So I hope everyone is having a great day. And again, my new masterpiece doll, number 4, is Brittany. I can tell you I had a hard time deciding on a name for her. I actually had 2 choices. It was between Brittany or Rolisha. And I like the idea of Rolisha because my 2 other girls, their name is Roche and Roshan. And yeah, but I don't know. I went ahead and decided to name her Brittany. I'm happy with the name Brittany. Brittany is the name of one of my nieces, and also Rolisha is also the name of one of my nieces. So that was a pretty rough or tough decision to make, but I went ahead and named her Brittany. Yeah, so yeah, I do like the name Brittany actually. And I thought about naming her both Brittany. Look at this hair. I thought about naming her both Brittany and Rolisha, but if I was to do Rolisha, it would definitely be a first name, Rolisha. No, I think I'm going to name her Brittany. I do like the name Brittany for her. Yeah. So I hope everyone is having a great day. Yesterday, my big girl came to me. And honestly, I think I can say that she will be my last masterpiece doll because these dolls, they take up so much space and it's a lot of work to dress them and undress them. I think I'm going to have to figure out some routine in dealing with them. I love to see all 4 girls together, but that's a lot of work, so I'm gonna have to figure out, maybe display 1 or 2 dolls at a time in a video. That way I just need to dress 1 or 2 at a time and dress them a day in advance. Yeah. Okay, so what she's going to wear, I didn't even show you, hey, for Theme Thursday. The theme today is birds or anything that flies. So she's going to wear this 2-piece set by Carter's. It's actually a 3-piece set. It comes with like a sleeveless onesie, but I think the sleeveless onesie also had a little birdie, you know. Anyway, she's just going to do these 2 pieces. And this, you know, when I ordered this, it looked like yellow, but looking at it now, it almost looks like a cross between yellow and green, like a neon yellow and green. Yeah, that, and the pants actually have like little birds, see? Like little pirates, little birds. See there? Really cute birds. Yeah. And I think the onesie is white and have like a little birdie. But thinking about it, you probably won't see the birdie because it would be underneath. So I won't worry about the onesie right now. I'll just let her continue to wear this sleeveless onesie. So all my babies are still wearing the same outfits that they were dressed in, except for Jules. I changed Jules out of her Valentine's Day outfit. But Jay is still wearing her green, and Dyson is still wearing his Valentine's Day outfit, minus the jeans. I did take off the jeans pants off of him. So he's just wearing the red and white striped onesie. And he has a onesie underneath that, so he's pretty secure. Okay. Go ahead and put this on over our head. Okay, not bad. The head isn't so tight. Yeah. And this is really cute. It's sleeveless, have like the frills on the sleeve. Very cute. My girl here is just a mess. Right, Brittany? Brittany, say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Yeah, so no school. My daughter is home for midterm. All the kids are. So I'm just enjoying her. She's playing games on the computer. Let me go ahead and brush her hair. Her hair is a mess. Let me brush it first without any water. I want to put this bow on her hair. And once her hair is wet, let me see if I can do some sort of style. Some sort of style right here. Her hair is so soft. Okay, let's see how that works. I'm loving that new kit by Lauralee Eagles. It's called Birdie. Yeah, that's a beautiful kit. All right, McQuell. So there she is. She loved this finger. But I actually got she has this pacifier in yellow. And this color, like I said, it's a cross between yellow and that neon green. So I think I'm going to let her actually wear this pacifier. And I decided to go with just white frill socks on these little feeties. Footy, so cute. She has good sized feet, I'll tell you that. She's such a cutie. So there she is, everyone. She is the Indie Sculpt by Lauralee Eagle. Her name is India McQuell. All dressed for Theme Thursday, and the theme is birds or anything that flies. Well, this color is really pretty on her. That is really pretty on her. So there she is. So I just want to thank everyone for watching. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. 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 So thank you all so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.